Hello plastic model builders, welcome back. This is the Bandia Scorbunny. It is an unboxing, a full build video, and our review. So as you can see, we have here the top of the box, front, sides, and all that good stuff. Let's open it up. We will show you what is inside. We have one cellophane bag. It includes the decals that you see there and two plastic sprues. Let's see what is in the box. We have our instructions right there. This is the side of the box. It tells you how to break the pieces off and all that good stuff. Here's the parts list. You have A1 and A2, as well as the stickers. You don't have to use the stickers. You can paint it if you want. It's just model making madness. And here are the instructions basically. Top row, you got 3 easy steps. Here's the bottom row, 4 through 5, and that's all there is to it. So we will start with our head, and there is the other parts right there from sprue A1, and then A2 you have all your body parts and your orange parts, which are your eyes and feet. So that's pretty much it. Let's get started. I am going to apply the decal stickers here. We have our eyes, they go on just like so, and then there's also a nose which we are going to put on. You can probably wait to put that on last because I had a little bit of trouble getting that in, but this is how I did it so we can learn from that. There is the head right there. We are going to put this in, and this is where the model making madness starts to make this look pretty. So we have this in our Scorbunny, and you see that right there. This is the nose. It can only go in one way. You got that little crosshair. Just press it in and pop goes the weasel. So we attach this front head to the back side of the head. Very easy. We don't need any glue for this kit. The pieces pop right off. It is a quick build once you get used to it. There's the head. We have these little sticker here for the ears. You can paint those if you want. These go on, they will overlap. Just like that, you round it around the edge there. Take your time with it, and then you have the other one. Kind of get it in between, which is a little difficult, but it's not too hard. Just take your time with it, and you will make it work, and it will look good, and it just wraps all the way around, just like this one. And you see that is how it looks, just like that. Now we will put on the other one. It's the same thing, and there you see how that looks. The head is getting somewhere. We've got our ears. Those can only go on one way as well because they have little marks for them on how to put them on. This is the other one. Very simple. And now the head is almost complete. We do have 2 stickers to put right here for the ears. One goes right there, and of course the other one goes on the other side. I'll show you here a nice close-up of that. Very easy, just goes in, press it down. Use a toothpick if you want, and that's the completed head. So this is the body. We have 2 pieces for that. The front that has the legs, and then the back. We will put a tail on there. The tail is right there. It can only go in one way. It has a flat spot, and you can see that there. Just press that in. Now our tail is done. We are going to put these little stickers on the bottom of the feet. Each one has a foot there. Put this on. Had a little bit of trouble with the way it's designed. Not a big deal. Just snaps into place just like that. As you see, that was the trouble I was talking about, so you can see it. Then we just put this onto our figure, just like that. Easy peasy. And then this is the other foot. Actually, I'm sorry, that is an arm. So I'm going to show you how this one goes in. You have to kind of slide it up into the body. It's not like a straight fit. You have to slide it upwards. And that is also the same with this arm as well. It is a little tricky. So if you watch this video twice, you'll see it. Oh, also, don't forget to subscribe and watch my premieres with me. We do our live chat, even on small videos. I also take donations if you want to donate. And don't forget to join our Facebook group classic model builder, and I also have a page, pretty much the same thing. You know, talk models. So we got both our feet on, and these are the toes. They are so cute and adorable. This is this little ring that goes around its neck, and then all you have to do is put on the head. There you go. So I'm going to show you a quick glance. That's what the Scorbunny looks like front and back. And in review, a simple model, no moving parts. It does have decals on it. Stickers. Simple, done easy and fast. This is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like. And until next time, I'll see ya.